This is the Bodum French press that we bought on Amazon a long time ago, and it's really easy to use. You just take it out of its little sleeve, pull this deal out, put as much coffee as you think you need in there, fill her up with water, and take a knife and stir it real good, and then I pop it in the microwave for 4 minutes. Or when you get it out of the microwave, it is really hot, so you need to use a towel to grab it and pull it out of there. Then you just take your knife and you stir it up some more. You let it sit for 1 minute, and I like to put the lid on so that bugs and stuff can't get in it while it's sitting. After it sits for a minute, you simply squish down your filter, and all you got to do is just let your arm rest on top of it, and it'll push down nice and slow. A gentle push, and it'll filter all that coffee out of the water, and you're done. And then you spin your little thing around so you can pour it out. Oh, and then you put it in your handle deal, and you pour your coffee. And there you go. This thing makes 8 cups of coffee.